Good morning, dear children. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Hope you are all studying well, isn't it, children? Don't waste your time and prepare well for your examinations that are coming. I would like to give you a small recipe for success. Study while others are sleeping. Work while others are laughing. Prepare while others are playing. Dream while others are wishing. This means continue your efforts with a dream to become a successful person. Let's begin the new chapter. Chapter 6. It's about prominent people. All of you please take your books. The first picture is of a Kenyan environmentalist and Nobel laureate. She planted over 30 million trees through her Green Belt movement. Do you know, children, who she is? She is Wangari Maathai. Write the name in the space provided. The next picture is of a Chinese business magnate. He co-founded the e-commerce and retail the giant Alibaba Group. Do you know who he is? He is Jack Ma. This is the picture of a technology entrepreneur, investor and engineer. He has co-founded several companies such as SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, OpenAI and PayPal. Do you know, children, who he is? You may be knowing him. Who he is? He is, yes, you are right, Elon Musk. Now this is the picture of a best-selling music artist whose awards include 9 Grammy Awards and an Academy Award. She is Lady Gaga. All of you please write Lady Gaga. Here now you can see the picture of a Swedish teenager. She has inspired a global movement by school children against climate change. She is Greta Thunberg. Greta Thunberg. Write the spelling correctly. This is the picture of a French footballer. He won the Best Young Player award during the 2018 FIFA World Cup. He is Kylian Mbappe. Write down the spelling correctly. She is a Canadian novelist poet. She has won several awards including the Booker Prize. She is Margaret Atwood. Margaret Atwood. She is the Prime Minister of New Zealand and the world's youngest female head of government. She is Jacinda Ardern. Jacinda Ardern. Ninth one, he is an award-winning American actor, producer and musician, best known for his leading role in the movie series Pirates of the Caribbean. He is Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp. Now the last one. She is a former First Lady of the US, an attorney, politician, and member of the Democratic Party. She also contested the American presidential election in 2016. Do you know who she is? She is Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton. Hope you all have completed the exercise. Now we are skipping the 7th chapter and moving to the 8th chapter. Global languages. In the world, 6,500 languages are spoken today and 2,000 of them are spoken by fewer than 1,000 people. Do you know, children, the most widely spoken language? It is Mandarin Chinese. Now we move on to the first exercise. Identify the principal languages spoken in the following countries. First one, Afghanistan. The answer is Pashto. Second one, Saudi Arabia. The answer is Arabic. Third one, Australia. The answer is English. Fourth one, Sri Lanka. The answer is Sinhala. Next one, Argentina. Spanish. Sixth one, Switzerland. Official language is German. Next, the Netherlands. The official language is Dutch. Eighth one, Vatican City. The official language is Italian. Next one, Brazil. The official language is Portuguese. Bulgaria. The official language is Arabic. Israel. The official language is Hebrew. Mexico. The official language is Spanish. Cyprus. The official language is Turkish and Greek. Iran. The official language is Persian. Syria. The official language is Arabic. Austria. The official language is German. Children, in India, 1600 languages and dialects are spoken. There are 22 official languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Hindi and Bengali are the two of the 10 most widely spoken languages in the world. Now we move on to the second section. Match the language with the state or union territory where it is principally spoken. First one, Kannada. Where is Kannada spoken? In Karnataka. Second one, Nepali. Spoken by the people of Sikkim. Third one, Khasi. Spoken by the people of Meghalaya. Malayalam, spoken by the people of Kerala. Last one, Dogri, spoken by the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Now we move on to the next chapter, chapter 9, Animal Vision. Children, you have seen the eyes of cats, dogs. They all glow in the dark, isn't it? Like that, the eyes of lemurs also glow in the dark, because they have a layer of cells lining the back, which acts like a mirror and reflects light. So, which animals' eyes glow in the dark? Cats, dogs, and lemurs. Two of the grasshopper's 5 eyes are compound eyes. They are placed on either side of the head and contain thousands of single lenses that help the grasshopper see in front, on the sides, and at the back. Unlike other animals, goats, horses, and deer have wide rectangular pupils that allow them to see at a 330-degree angle. Humans can see up to an angle of 185 degrees. The eyes of the dragonfly are so huge that they almost cover its entire head and provide a full 360-degree field of vision. The eyes of the chameleon are independent of each other. This means it can look in two completely different directions at the same time. A gecko's eyes have many light-sensitive cells which enable it to see up to 350 times better than human beings. It can even see colors in the dark. The colossal squid, a marine animal, has the largest eyes of any living animal. They measure nearly 30 centimeters in diameter, about the size of a human head. So today we studied about prominent people, global languages, and animal vision. With that, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you, children.